Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back again here in Dolomite Beach at Rojas Boulevard. You know, there is flying hindi ko makita yung aeroplano guys. I know they have an airplane. Wait, I will catch up the airplane. Or is it? Ayan, may airplane pong lumipad guys. Ayan. Oh, airplane. Okay. I will be back. Okay. Ito po ang kagandahan ng aming Dolomite Beach. Shout out, Grandpa! Fly your drone here! Fly your drone here, Grandpa! Oh, Grandpa. Lots of people here. Here. And there's so many building here. And maybe later I will go inside. Oh, lala. The beauty of Rojas Boulevard. There's a lot of people here and come back here, so we will go. Hi guys, good evening. So all YouTube channel here inside in my premiere tonight. I'm here at Dolomite Beach. Maybe how many years hindi ako nakabalik dito. And shout out everyone. It is very hot. This is the oh, Inday is here. Inday is sitting here. Wait, I will sitting around. Okay. Oh my God. It is very hot. It is already 9 o'clock. So I will go to the Manila Museum and I will make a vlog. And hello Philippines! Inday is here. This is the beauty of ayan. It is very hot na kasi it's already 9 o'clock. Here comes the sun na talaga. Ayan. This is the beauty. Oh my God, si Inday is haggard my face. Haggard. Guys, ang kati-kati ng ulo ko. Siguro may kato. So, go around and I will go to pupunta na tayo sa guys. Pupunta ako sa Manila Museum. I go to Manila Museum. Make vlog. Vlogging. Diba? Ang sarap ng buhay na mag-isa ka mamasyal, walang makulit. Kasi ito yung time na mag-strolling out ako. This is the time that I go outside, no kids. Because I want to be free. I want to be free. I want to have a freedom to relax myself here in the beach, in Dolomite Beach. You know, kanina, tatawa nga ako nag-imot-imot ako. Where every morning here sa Alats of this is our latest update sa ating sa ating Dolomite Beach here in Rojas Boulevard. No? Okay pa naman siya, maganda pa naman ang beach dito. Meron talagang ibang vlogger, no. I hate the some vloggers that we mix sira-sira into the vlog na wala na daw, nasira na daw yung Dolomite. But pinuntahan ko ito. I was go there here because I just want to know about that kung ang Dolomites ba ay sira na. No, yung bang bakit ganun pag vlog ka, ba't kailangan mo pang manira? Bakit kailangan mo pa sirain ang beauty kung saan maganda naman, di ba? Bawal man yung ganyan, na manira ka. I don't like that person, I don't like the vlogger like that one. Oh, this is the beauty. Oh, di ba? Okay pa ang Dolomite Beach, guys. But I hate the vlogger. You said the Dolomite Beach, it's laos na. The Dolomite is very na daw, sira na. But I see foreigner there. Oh, diaba foreigner guy. Oh, I want to go to what? No, it's a joke. I have a farm. I'm looking for a farm here. Joke lang, oy. Ano ako, gold digger? No, I'm not a very good person. Okay, this is the beauty of Dolomite Beach. So, we will go somewhere. As wherever you touch me now, hold me now, and I don't want to live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. If I had to live my life without you near me, na 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 would be empty. Di ko sa ulo. Like a guiding star, come with me and share the view, and forever to hold me now, touch me now. I don't want to live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. O, diba? Remember when... Di ko sa ulo. La 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 la, time stood still. Alam mo, gusto ko talaga yung remember when, but ano, hindi ko pa sa ulo yung lyrics. So, babaan natin paglakad. Asa na ba dito? Hanapin ko yung ano, guys. Where is the exit? Some of boats there. They have some boats there. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Di ko sa ulo yung kanta. If I had to live my life without you near me, na would be empty. La 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 la. Di ko sa ulo, guys. Oh my God. This is Inday. La 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 la. Na na na. Okay. Ang taray, oh. So come with me and share the view. Light to forever true. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't want to live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. O, diba? Magagalit na naman si Danica, kagaya ng kinanta ko na ano ba yun? Yung Careless Whisper. Siyempre, kung ano yung kinakanta ko, yun na yun. Yun lang ang trip ko eh. So, ayan guys. Bala kayo manood. Magsawa kayo kay Inday. Pa? Magsawa kayo kay Inday. Kasi nothing's talaga. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. O, diba? Baliw na naman si Inday. Bahala kayo, kunti lang naman iba-vlog ko doon sa ano. Hanapin ko pala yung exit. Saan ba dito? Exit ko? Oh, I know. The exit is there. The exit is there. Diba? Buwasin. Ang sarap dito maglakad. Sa ilalim ng puting ilaw, sa dilaw na araw. Kasi hindi naman gabi. Aking sigaw, sa dilaw na araw. I remember the song. I remember. Wait. Remember when la 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 the time stood still. O, diba? Di ko lang talaga sa ulo yung lyrics. Sorry, my grandpa. The lyrics of the song, remember when I was just, oh my God, I just heard that one. O, diba? Hala kayo magsawa. Nothing gonna change my love for you. Nagsisigaw na ako dito, tinitingnan ako dito. Oh, there are some people was sitting. Oh, Inday is here in the buhanginan. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. Inday is loka-loka. Maybe it is very hot, guys. So I will go out. I will go out in the beach. Oh, diba? Ang lawak ng beach. Sobra, it is very hot. Feeling hot, hot, hot. I'm feeling hot, hot, hot there. Okay. Hair pala, hair. I'm feeling hot, hot, hot. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. It's very hot na. So, I'll go outside. I will go outside. And then, go to the Manila Museum. So, tingnan natin kung anong ganap natin sa Manila Museum. They have a fugi, but they have a farm, but they have a girlfriend. May girlfriend siya, guys. So, not available. Hindi natin pwedeng agawin. She's not available. He's not available. Hindi natin pwedeng agawin. So, babay muna tayo dito. And, hindi ko na malayan, guys. I'm, walking. Hindi ko na malayan. Nandito na ako sa Lunita. Because when I was live to the beach, Dolomite Beach, I was watching the video. The video that I filming in the Dolomite Beach. When I was walk beside the highway, the guard was called me, "Ma'am, go there." Sabi ko naman, "Thank you, sir." Ang lang din Inday, no? "Thank you, sir, for your concern." Now, I'm here and nandito na tayo, guys, sa Lunita, guys, no? Just walk around sa Lunita. No? Just walking, no riding. If I done to filming to the inside in Manila Museum, I was riding on that jeep. I feel hungry, but you know, guys, maraming nagsasabi na pumapayat na daw ako 50. Ay, naka! Nakanta tayo. We don't have to say the words. Really by the love that's in your eyes. Do you feel na 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 na? Di naman ako marunong kumanta, oy. Nakalimutan ko na. I was always singing that one, but I don't know the lyrics. But I don't know the lyrics. Ang ganda, no? Ang ganda ng Pilipinas! Oh my God. Diba? Ang sarap mag-isa. Ang sarap mag-isa kasi when do the filming, I am the only one. I am the only one host. I am the only one doing that. No Nolan, because if Nolan was companion with me, oh my God, Nolan is do not do like that. Do not ganyan si Nolan sa akin. Oh, diba? Ang ganda. Lagay natin dito, guys. Maghanap po tayo ng lugar na mapaglagyan natin ng ating Nandito po ako sa Kalabaw. So, maghanap tayo ng lugar na malagyan ng ating kasi I'll make upo-upo here. Diba? Ang ganda. Ang ganda din. Diba? This is the beauty of the Philippines. Dito tayo. Maghanap tayo ng lugar. Ako, hinihintay na ako. Gusto ko maaga ako doon sa I will go to the Manila Museum, but I'm here in near in the grandstand. Oh lala. Oh lala. Oh lala. Oh, diba? Nabuang na naman ang your host is signing off. Lang maghanap tayo ng malagyan dito, guys. I know this here. I put my makeup. I put my cellphone here and also the cellphone. This is the beauty. Oh, diba? I will use this one. Mahaba na naman tong ating mahaba na naman tong ating I bring this one, para dito yung cellphone ko ilagay. Sorry ba? Yan natin ilagay yung cellphone. Pag tumalon to, patay tayo dito. Ika lang, baka malaglag. Di man pwede, guys. So this is not pwede. Not pwede. Hindi pwede siya, guys. Natin. Hello, Philippines! Your host and the most cute lang mga gamon. I am so haggard. Dito tayo. Mahaba yan, guys. Dapat pala tinuloy-tuloy ko yung vlog ko. Dapat pala hindi ko yung vlog ko. Dito tayo, guys. I put it there. Diba? You put it there, Inday, and you go to there. You go to there. I have no So I put this one. Oh my God. I'm waiting for a pack. La 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 la. Big exercise. Sabi ni si Dals, ganyan ang sayaw si Dals eh. Sayaw ni si Dals. Ganyan ang sayaw ni si Dals. Parang ganyan si Dals. So guys, I will go to the museum. Go in the museum. So andito na tayo sa Rizal Park. You know guys, the guard was shouting me, hey, because hindi pa ako dumaan sa entrance. Pasaway talaga ako, no, kasi tinatamad ako. I'm going lazy because napapagod. I'm tired because dumaan ako doon. This is the entrance there. Oh my god, ang dami kong kalukuhan guys. I was thirst. I want to buy mineral water, but I know they have ice cream here. I want to eat ice cream, but my lipstick is on. Okay, how much ice cream? Oh my god, I'm so tired na talaga guys. I'm so tired. I was walking here. This is the Rizal Park, the monument of Rizal Park. It is a very historical place, no, kuya? Doon sa Bagong Bayan na yun, doon banda, dyan po binaril si Dr. Jose Rizal. Okay. Oh my God. Kuya, magkano ganyan? Maliit lang. Okay. What's the flavor? Mango cheese at saka I don't like cookies and cream. You put mango and cheese. Only one. Oh, di ba? Alam mo, only two. I am the only one. And this is the sorbetes. This is called sorbetes here in the Philippines. Kaya number. Okay, nauhaw na ako. But I buy sorbitero. Kuya, magkano? Ayun na si Kuya, kumakanta na. Ayusin mo Kuya, kasi sayaw ako. Wala kasi yung barya eh. O, di ba? Malukusin tayo. Ali ba yan? May sukli pa ako sa... Yes, I'm vlogging. I do filming. Sige Kuya, tapusin mo muna yan. La 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 la. Sige, ayusin mo. La 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 la. Shout out kay Kuya. Oh, diba? This is my okay. Don't put I just want mango and pwede ka ditong umupo, guys. You make relax. Masarap kasi eh. It is so very delicious and yummy. It is called the sorbetes here in the Philippines. Sorbetes. It is called in English dirty ice cream. But no dirty But called in English dirty ice cream. Only one, small. Nakita mo na bayad ko, Doy? Nalagay ko dyan. Oh, yun oh. Ano lang sa akin cheese and mango. I don't like cookies. I don't like cookies and cream. Oh my God. Mango and cheese. La 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 la. Mamang sorbitero. Tayo sumayaw. Oh. Tingnan niyo yung ni Kuya, di ba? Ganyan po ang mga Pilipino here, no? Ganon po. Lakasan mo ate, tapos sumayaw ka. Oh my God, I'm going to Okay. I will make it, diba? Kain tayo dito. Diba masarap ang buhay pag ikaw lang mag-isa? Yummy. It is yummy, guys. Nauuhaw kasi ako. Gusto kong umupo. Where is the upuan? But lakad lang tayo. Wait lang. Lipat natin sa kabila ng aking kamay. Where is my pouch? Okay. The pouch is here. Hirap na, walang ano. Herbalife. So yummy. It is so very yummy. Ito lang kumain ng ice cream. What time is it? I was ano? Philip 6 is ano? Meron dito ano? Fountain. You know guys, if you go here in Manila or Rizal Park, Lunita Park, you can do picnic. You eat there. They have tables and they have chairs. Oh, this is a cute. This is a cute. Oh. Vlog. I will do a vlog. Ayan guys. Sa aking paglalakad, ayan, I'm here in Manila Museum Anthropology, and the other side Manila Museum Arts. Dito tayo, papasok tayo dyan. Maybe later, ha? Papasok tayo dyan. The other side, in the back of blue bus, also that's Manila Museum, called Manila Museum Fine Arts. And this one, the other side, the Manila Museum Anthropology. Wait for a while. Maybe later I will go there. Well, make pasok-pasok inside. Okay. Oh, ang haba ng nilakaran ko, guys. From doon, oh, diba? Ganon kalakwat sira ngayon ang host. Iwan. Hindi ko alam bakit lakwat sira ang host ngayon. Oh, that's the building. Dito tayo papasok guys. Diyan po tayo mamamasyal. Wala pong bayad dyan. No entrance fee. So I'll go there. I will go there. Oh, I will go inside and asking the guard. Okay, asking the guard. Hello guys, so I'm here at Manila Museum Anthropology. Papasok tayo doon, no entrance fee. Your present an ID. Maybe later if nasa loob na tayo, tingnan natin. Ito po yung loob guys, nakaw lang tayo. Ito po yung loob. I go upstairs. Yan po yung loob. Hanggang 4th floor po ito guys. Ito po ang loob. Kaya pa next save it. Ikot-ikot lang daw po. Ikot-ikot lang. CR to eh, CR. Ang laki pala guys. I don't know anong ori natin dito. Okay. Inside. Wow. What's this? What's this? This is the Star Foundation Paris Bank and Trust Company. Dito naman ang The Hocus Paintings. Oh my God. Ganda pala dito. Ooh. Ulala. Sama nila. Oo, may malaking banga. Lots of tradition. Ito yung mga tradition namin ng mga ninuno. So, maganda. Hair. Side hair. Ito meron. But doppelming daw. Pero makulit ako. Hindi na natin anuhin kasi baka mahuli tayo. Just around here. Okay. Hanggang 4th floor daw to. Hanggang 4th floor daw to, guys. Oh my God. Hindi ko na binabasa kasi ano. Ang ganda. Oh my God. It is so big. Dito tayo sa mga park ng Palayok pala to, guys. Park ng Palayok. Ikot-ikot lang naman daw to. No more people around. Only Inday here. Only Inday here. Okay. That's Palayok. What is, this is the, timeline of Philippine ceramics. So, we will go by there. Tsaka, stop filming, baka may makahuli sa atin. So, you will go there. I don't know what is there. What nice. I will see. What is this? I will go upstairs later. I will go upstairs. I don't know where is our... Go out, tell me. Maybe later, picture taking. Just, oh, there was I will go to the area. Wow, oh my God. There's a beauty. So, we will go there. Saan tayo pupunta? So, ikot-ikot lang. Sabi ng guard, do not doppelming. But Inday was doppelming. What's that? Marble Hall. This is called a Marble Hall. This is called the Marble Hall. The Marble Hall. It's the one Marble Hall. So, go to upstairs. Well, go upstairs. There. Maybe or there. Okay, I will go there. This is a Marble Hall pala. So, it is so tahimik. Inside of Marble Hall. So madilim. I don't go here. I don't know what's that. I say tawag ito. State. Wala namang magbabantay sa iyo dito. Ano ka? This is the time to this is the time. Yes. This is time to explore. Exploring here inside in Manila Anthropology. Hanggang 4th floor daw to, guys. Ano meron dito? Parang namang nakakatakot. Parang nakakatakot. It's so tahimik, guys. I don't know ano makikita dito. Okay. So, this is the inside here. Ayan. This is so nice. So nice here. This is Manlilikha ng Bayan National Living Treasures. Yan po ang mga manlilikha ng bayan. Ay, oh my God. It's so very mahaba. Okay. Okay. Ganda pala dito, guys. So very tahimik. So I will go to the entrance. We will back go to the entrance. Sana walang guardia. We're in the inside. Ayan. Oh my God. Ito yung sa loob. Yung CCTV.
Hindi panawagan pagpalawan ng Mindanao. So sound.
I don't know if they are a CCTV here. Manlilika. Ito po yung mga manlilika dito. So maganda. Baka may CCTV dito guys. Makita tayo ng CCTV. So dito tayo guys sa mga anito. Ayan, anito. Cabinet Levels Foundation. Ito tayo sa mga anito. Mga anito po dito guys. Ganda. You look great hair inside the anito. Sa mga anito po tayo. Ayan po. Bawal mag-filming but Inday is so makulit doing something. Doing something here, Inday. Oh my God. Ayan, inside. Anito daw. So we have this one. Ritual massage. Other life. Okay. Yan. Just doing my best. Nagbabantay din po ako pag baka may hindi ang guard. Masyadong maano yung mga guard. I hope no guard. I hope no guard na makakahuli sa akin. Oh, so very beautiful hair. Like this. Like this. Or doing a filming. Oh, like the sleeves. Flora at the Philippines. Bulelat daw yan. Hindi na natin isa-isahin kasi matatagalan tayo. Kasi bawal nga mag-filming dito. Bawal mag-filming dito. But I'm just doing. Okay. Ako, baka may CCTV dito. Ganda. Ganda guys. Dito tayo. Entwines first. Kasi may gwardiya. Oh, so look. Beautiful hair. Just because baka may gwardiya mahuli ako. I'm just looking the guard. Okay. Ito po ang makikita natin dito. Hindi ko nasasabihin. Just look around. Here. Yan. It is called buyong. Yan. Just taking only a minute. No people around here. It's so just nakakatakot. Okay. Baka kasi may gwardiya. Guys.
And our children also.
This is called bahay kubo ng mga ipugaw. Well built. Okay. What's this? Lots of hair. Bawal po tayong mag-ano kasi nakaw-nakaw lang po yung video ko dito. Baka may gwardiya. So cute. So cute. Bye, Google. Baka kasi may gwardiya. Nakakatakot. Baka kasi may gwardiya kaya tayo. Laps-laps tayo. Okay. And guys, sa entwined spurs. And sa mga ano ba? Yan. So we will go there. I hope no people here. Live na life. Dito tayo. Baybayin. Na meron dito. Nakakatakot kasi walang tao. I don't know if di ba CCTV, So go here. Sa mga bayaning lahing Pilipino daw dito eh. Yan yung mga hibla ba? Hibla ng mga sinulid. Yan o. Because they have a guard. So just lang. Pahapiyaw lang po ang buhat natin. Because may gwardiya. Yan po yung mga hibla. Yan. Yan po ang mga buntok, sa buntok. Mga damit po dito. Ang tinatawag na ablan, loom. Sinulid to dito guys eh. Ganda. Ganda guys. It is bawal. Meron stay here. Panakaw Gallery 7. Katesa Guard. Okay. That's it. Ganda dito.
Ay, ito ay mag-pinong verse.
Yan, pang kitchen use. Yan po ang pang kitchen use.
Kitchen showpiece.
Dito daw guys, paki-umay palay. Dito. Baka may kwarta dito. Let's go inside. Okay. What's this? This Philippine amusement gaming. Doon pala yung paki-umay palay guys. Doon sa pinasukan ko doon. Dito. It's so very maganda. I do filming. Laki ng mapa. What's this? Stone? A brick. Brick. Mga bato-bato pala dito. Ayan. This is the Bygoner's Bagani. The Portuguese. Yan. Nagbabantay kasi ako ng guard, guys. What's that? This is the Jolly Borges European Town Book. Release Spanish. It says like that. Like that. Good. Mga gallery dito guys. Ayan. Inside Kidlat ang tahimik. Genius World. Oh, like that. Nakaw lang to guys because the guard was telling no filming inside, but Inday is sumakulit. This is a nakaw. Okay, the last one, kapa artistic practice. Meron dito magandang view dito sa labas. So I'm done here. I will go in another museum because this is the Museum of Anthropology, National Museum Anthropology. So ayan, bye-bye, abangan nyo. So lilipat po tayo sa kabila. Dito tayo sa National Museum Pambansang lilipat tayo dito sa kabila. Oh my God. Siguro paglabas ko niyan guys, lalakarin ko na lang papuntang basta ayan Diyan tayo papasok. And I was go there. Okay. Doon tayo sa loob, papasok tayo. Dito po tayo papasok yan. Sa building na yan. Diyan. Pasok tayo dyan. We believe here. We will make pasok. There. Hello guys. Nandito ngayon. Mahaba ang pila. May pila pa si Inday guys. It's so, they have a long line. Dito kasi marami daw talaga tao dito. And guys, Arawan. Ito. Filming. It's beautiful hair. So hair. Filipino style. Larawan, litrato. Sa statue. Oh, may banig dito. Oh, lala. This is Dominador Castañeda Ditmarts. This is Fernando Amarsolo. Pataan. Okay. This is our North Wing Hallway Gallery. This one. Hallway Gallery. Oh my God. Anong meron dito? Okay. Hallway. This is for a gallery. So, or po mga gallery dito guys. Yan. What's that? Fabian de la Rosa. Oh. Yan ang ganda dito guys. Tatago tayo kasi may guard. The guard is here. Yan po yung bantayog ng mga bayani. Mga bantayog pala to ng mga bayani guys. Ito, ayan. Guillermo Tolentino. Yan. Nakaw lang kasi mga may guard yan. Filipinos Illustrious. What's in here? So we'll go there. Oh. Hindi ko alam kung ano itong meron dito. Dual filming. Hindi tayo pwedeng mag-ingay kasi bawal nga kumuha ng ano. But I try my best to capture here. This is the art protest Federico Aguilar Alcuaz. Oh my God. Sarap dito tumambay. Sarap tumambay. guys. Kailangan kailangan lang. Ang ganda. Kailangan lang natin. Malawak po dito guys. Sobrang lawak. There is Placuma. Placuma placenta. Oh, what's in here? Panakaw lang tayo guys. The history of kapis. Oh, you know what is kapis? The kapis is the shell of Placuma placenta, no? Kapis. Meron marami niyan sa Bohol, kapis. Sikat pala ang kapis, guys. Biology tayo, guys. Economic value. You know what is kapis? Ang dami niyan sa Bohol, guys. Ang dami ng kapis sa Bohol. Ayan. Yan po ang shell ng kapis. Maraming kapis sa Bohol, guys. Yan. Sikat pala ang kapis natin, guys. Yan, masarap kaya ang nito, guys. You know, Grandpa, when I was there in Bohol, I was eating there because this kapis is dumidikit lang po siya sa puno ng kahoy. Yung kapis. Lumabas na po yung guard, guys, kaya pwede na tayong kumuha. Iniiwasan ko kasi ang guard. Yan, ganda dito. What's this? Tingnan natin. It is a Benedicto Cabrera, national artist. Okay. Binabantayan ko lang yung guardia, guys. Ayan. Kasi bawal. Nakaw nga lang. Nakaw na nakuha ko dito. Nanakaw ko kayo. This is I don't know what is this. Amazing. Babasahin natin. Ito yung mga assaulting the agriculture building. Yan. So, mga to, bayanihan, federalism. Okay. I don't know what's here. Biak na bato. Oh, ito yung mga sa history. Okay. Mabuti pa doon sa sa San Juan kasi free. Free kang kumuha ng video, walang Yan. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung to dito. Gallery din. Puro haligi na modernismo na. Para siyang kwarto lang, guys. Yan. Ang lamig. Okay. Naglalakad si Inday here. Kasi maghanap na naman tayo kung saan tayo punta. Akyat tayo sa taas. Ayan. So tahimik, nakakatakot. Kasi lalo na ako, some of there na pumunta, puro may mga puro may mga kasama. Puro sila may mga kasama. But me, I am the only one here. I am the only one here. No groups. Because I am exploring with myself. Without myself, I am exploring. I'm just asking the guide, where is the stairs going to 3rd floor? And he told me, you go there. Oh my God. He told me, tapos na ako dyan. But here, inside here, I didn't go here. So we will go to here. Oh my God. This is a replica. Okay. I'll go upstairs din, pagkatapos I will be going home. Hello. Oh, sige. Akin na. Wait lang. Adjust dito. The selection from the culture. Walang guardia. Baka may guardia dito. I'm just saying the guard. Baka may guardia. May pinuntahan ako, may guardia. Oh, what is this? image, mixed media. Nagbabantay ako pag may gwardiya. Stop. Here is the man and nature of tao at kalikasan. Ano meron dito? Oh, wow. So beautiful here. No people around. No people around here. I just filming in a quiet. Just filming in a quiet. Okay. Don't know what is this. Battle of Gatherers. Okay. Yan po ang hallway. So, ay wow. Lilok daw to. Picture. They have a guard. But you know the guard is very mabait. They have a guard. But don't mix it to me. Lilok Holma tipon. Hindi siya nagsita, guys. Nakita akong nagbe-video filming. The guard was so mabait. So great. Oh my God. Ito ang Lilok Holma. It's a little short filming because they have a guard. Baka masita tayo ng guard. Mga lelok po ito, guys. Okay, I don't know what's this. Hindi po ako makapag-picture because I am the only one. I am the only one here. So, no picture me. Okay. It's a beautiful lady. Anong tawag nito? What's this? This is doxology. Bawal hawakan. Okay. Tayo. Ganda dito, guys. Oh my God, ang ganda dito. I don't know what is this. Okay. Dito tayo, guys. Oh, what's this? This is paglalakbay journey. Oh, so beautiful here. I don't know what is this. What's this? This Agnes Arellano issue. It is a good hair. Even the guard was saying me made a video, don't mix it sita. Wow. Okay, just around because the guard is in the labas. What's this? Ano ito? Tina City. What's that? Okay. Lilok Holma at Tipon. Natapos na po ako sa pag-iikot, guys. At ako yung bababa na. Yan. Daan na po ako sa lahat, guys. And then doon. Daan na po ako. So I will go home. Saan po ba dito yung... This is the ground floor. Sub-mini, half-mini. Lots of people here. I was hiding on the guard. I was hiding on the guard. I just can't lap it there. Because they have a guard. Wait for a while. I will see if we're not okay. The guard is nandoon. Meron pa pala dito, guys. Walang guard. Ganda. Meron pa pala dito. I was not finished. Oh, what a beautiful hair. This is the church. What's this? Santiago Matamoros. Yan. What's this one? Santo Domingo de Guzman. Ito yung mga sense ng mga church. Ayan. Go there. Hostis. Santa Ana. I will go there. If there's no guard, we take here this so what's this inside there? Church. This is the gallery of Via Crucis of Bohol Master. Oh wow. Okay. This is here. What is the laman here? Oh my god. I'm just making ikot-ikot pa. Tingnan natin. Hey guys, it is the time to end my exploring inside National Museum. In the Philippines, we have near in Lunita Park, they have 3 museums, but only 2 that I explore. The other one is I'm not exploring because I have 2 ng batil ko. So guys, I will end my done for everything. So many ito po makikita natin sa labas. What's a beautiful Philippines. May fountain doon. So yan, ikot natin. At ako'y mag-end na. No picture taking inside. Because wala pong magpipicture sa akin. So I hope ngayong gabi ito nasa saya kayo na na-explore ko kayo. Sa tagal ko dito sa Maynila guys. For the first time to explore here. Na nag-isa ako. Kasi masarap yung isa. Sa lagyan siya. Because my battery is like 2 bars. So, exploring is the best. Exploring is the best for endeavors. Okay.
Kasi sa'yo may white. Kasi may white. So, may ate kata may white. Pero try natin.
Bye-bye! Thank you for watching. Thank you for loving
Buti
the
kayo
YouTube
nakasalamin
channel
ako.
of
Tingnan yung itsura ko
Endeavors.
nakagala.
Thank you so much because I am magagard niyan. Nagbibilang na low. 1, 2, 3. So, bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Mamamatay na. Thank you for watching.